Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be going through PSLE 2024 question number 19. So this question is on light. Okay, specifically on light, how you can see things. Okay, as you know that you're able to see things is because there's a light source. Okay, there's a light source hitting on a particular object, and that object reflect light into your eyes. That's how you are able to see the object. So you need light to be able to see an object. So in this case, Lila make a dessert using a piece of fruit and jelly as shown. So you got the jelly and the fruit. She can see the fruit inside the jelly. That means she can see the jelly, she also can see the fruit. So this fruit, right, it actually looks something like this. So you have a transparent jelly and the fruit is inside. Or some of you may have eaten this. Okay, it's called a Osmanthus Cake, or in Chinese call it the Gui Hua Gao. Okay, so it's quite tasty. So you can able to see the I think this is called the raspberry, okay, or some berry, right? You're able to see, right? It's because your eyes. Okay, let's see. Let me draw eyes over here. Your eyes. Okay, there's a light source. There's a light source. Okay, the light source hit onto this object by passing through the jelly, and then it reflect into your eyes. Okay, that's how you are able to see the jelly. Okay, if the Osmanthus cake, right, is indeed opaque, right, you will not be able to see this jelly over here. Okay, so let's go back to this question, okay, where we have the eye. Okay, the eye over here, this is the eye. Okay, so she can see, right, it means the light must have hit the fruit and reflect into the person's eye. So which row shows the correct property of the jelly? So in this case, right, the correct property of the jelly is that, does it allow light pass through? Yes. Okay, because over here the light source must have passed through the jelly and then reflect into the person's eyes for it to be able to see the fruit itself. Okay, so that's the first part. This is the part that allowed light to pass through. And the reflect light comes from this part. The reflect light talks about both she can see the fruit and the jelly itself. This is the part that is reflecting light. Okay, reflecting light off the fruit. That's why she can see the fruit. She can also see the jelly. It's because this part. Okay, the jelly over here reflects light into her eyes. So this is the second set of arrows that I should draw. It shows that the reflection of light of the jelly into the person's eye, so that she can see the jelly and the fruit itself. Okay, so with that, the answer should be number 4. Okay, 4 should be the correct answer. With that, thank you very much.